Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the XP Pen Deco Fun pen tablet. The Deco Fun is a newly released pen tablet from XP Pen. Available in three sizes: Deco Fun XS, Deco Fun S and Deco Fun L, or small, medium and large basically. It's in four colour variants of classic black, space blue, carmine red and apple green. Inside the box is the tablet and the bag of accessories. This contains the warranty card, quick start guide, the pen, USB cable, spare pen nibs and the nib extractor tool. The pen is black, plastic, battery free and feels quite light. It's a 2-button stylus pen which by default activates the eraser and right click. On the top of the tablet is the USB port and a lock for securing it to your desk. On the back of the 4 feet to stop it moving on your desk when you're drawing. It's nice and light and will easily fit into your laptop bag. Once you've installed the software drivers, it's a simple case of plugging in the USB to your laptop and the other end, the USB-C, into the tablet. The software interface is nice, bright and easy to navigate. It's here you'll change the pen pressure and map the tablet to your screen. One thing I've noticed is pressing OK doesn't actually shut the dialog box down. I've noticed this recently on a few releases from XP Pen. It's not a big deal, but it's something you don't expect. Before you start, peel off the protective cover from the top of the tablet. Oh, that feels nice. Here's some more details for all you technical artists out there. How does it perform? Really good. I had no problems with its size. 10" by 6 is a nice size to draw on, and it performed without any glitches. The pen felt nice to hold and use and slid across the tablet very smoothly. A quick click on the top button turns the pen into an eraser. I use Photoshop and Illustrator on a Windows 10 PC for some quick illustration scribbles, and are no problem producing variable cartoon type lines. A cool feature of this tablet, and many more in the market now, is that you can now plug it into a compatible Android device with the supplied USB adapter and draw on that. Being an iPhone owner, I couldn't test it out on a smartphone, but on my Android tablet it worked perfectly. For best results, rotate the tablet around to better represent the portrait orientation of the device or screen you're drawing on. I used Adobe Illustrator Draw on a Google tablet here and it worked without any issue. There was an ever so slight lag, but it didn't affect the drawing experience. It might have been my tablet, who knows, but it was fine. Drawing on a phone isn't really for me, to be honest, as I'd prefer drawing on a large pen display, but it's got its fans and maybe a deal breaker to some. Pressure sensitivity worked as expected, and scribbling away in a couple of cartoon heads produced some nice tapered lines and strokes. Purchasing this pen tablet entitles you to some free software. After creating an account with XP Pen, you certify the product's serial number on the back and you get an activation key to download and use free ArtRage Lite software. And Explain Everything, a digital whiteboard type application. This is a nice, bright, budget tablet and comes thoroughly recommended. Good job, XP Pen. Well, that's about it for this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time.